Hello, nature lovers! Welcome back to our journey into the enchanting realm of butterflies. These delicate creatures are not only a feast for the eyes, but also marvels of nature's ingenuity. Tasting with their imagine being able to taste the sweetness of nectar just by standing on a flower. Butterflies have this superpower, thanks to the taste receptors located on their feet. This unique ability allows them to discern which flowers are ripe for feeding and which to avoid. Masters of Migration's monarch butterfly's epic journey is one of the most remarkable feats in the animal kingdom, covering distances of up to 3,000 miles. These winged travelers navigate with precision to their winter havens, driven by an innate compass that guides them through generations. Solar-powered flight butterflies are cold-blooded creatures, relying on external heat sources to elevate their body temperature for flight. By basking in the sunlight and orienting their wings for maximum exposure, they can raise their body temperature to the optimal 30 degrees Celsius necessary for takeoff. Ultraviolet vision beyond the spectrum of human sight lies a world of ultraviolet beauty. Butterflies have the incredible ability to see these hidden hues, which illuminate patterns on flowers and the wings of potential mates, playing a crucial role in their survival and reproduction. Conservation efforts is we marvel at these wonders. It's crucial to remember that butterflies face threats from habitat loss and climate change. Conservation efforts are vital to ensure that future generations can continue to enjoy the beauty and mystery of these incredible insects. Thank you for tuning into our butterfly exploration. If you're captivated by these fluttering jewels and crave more insights into the natural world, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Keep your curiosity alive, and let's keep discovering the wonders that nature has to offer.